We're getting the last few things packed up in the trailer here. Ollie's helping me. I think we'll see you guys in Kentucky when we get there. Well, good morning. We are back here in Kentucky at the cabin. We're gonna get started. The guys are just getting themselves together here, getting their shoes on. I get a little antsy, so I break out early, and we'll get this sucker stood up. I'm pumped. Honestly, we get one wall and then stand a 4-footer up and we make a corner, and we might not need all that much. Are you down there? We'll go. Rain, go down to the, I got this wall. Go to the container and get a sledgehammer. One more. Wall. Stand it up on top of where it's at here. Okay. Throw some stop blocks in. Everything's fine. We still got all their toes.
All right.
We don't like that, do we?
Not on the plate side, but.
Ray and George.
Yes, sir.
Come on up. Okay, you Ray or no?
Yeah, we gotta go out.
Hi, friends.
What happened, George?
We put a wall in the wrong spot.
We sure did. So this wall here and this wall here are almost the same. Same size window. This gets bed and kitchen. That one gets bathroom and kind of a dining office area. They look identical. They're a few inches off. So when we went to put this interior wall up, it didn't fit. So rather than switching them, we're just going to move the interior walls around a little bit, screw up our blocking, and maybe the kitchen window's not perfectly centered. But you want to move the walls?
No,
No.
we're good.
George says we're good. It's fine. Well, we unloaded everything that we could with the Kubota off the trailer here, and we're just waiting for the telehandler. So we ran up to eat some lunch, and it showed up. Look at this thing. It is like brand new and huge and awesome. Somebody got a couple scratches in it. This is gonna do the heavy lifting. Literally, we'll do the heavy lifting. So we're gonna get the 2 panels off the top here because of course what we need first is on the bottom. I'm gonna truck them up and set them. I'm hoping today we can get the 2 like timber trusses, ladders I've been calling, I don't know what to call them, set the gable ends on, and then we'll do the roof tomorrow. I'm nervous about the roof. It's those 2 big panels, we got to fly them over the top of the main peak and down the back side, and you can't see it, you can't see the people setting it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, right?
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. George says it'll be fine. Okay.
That's all in the water, Ray.
Watch me. Just, it's gonna bounce when I go to boom down because it's out so far. Okay, I'm booming down.
But we gotta like let it come down without killing us somehow.
Lower it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Come down.
Yep.
Oh, wow, that's pretty close, isn't it?
Whoa. Yeah, almost put my face out.
Yeah, right there. Okay, come down. Down a little bit. All right, now we'll look up the other side.
Now come down.
Down a little bit. Yeah, Mike's right now. He wasn't while you were moving it.
I can't get that other.
Yeah, we're close. We should be able to move that. It moved a little bit.
Put that in, slow him down.
Well, goodbye from Kentucky.
Goodbye from Kentucky.
Good to see you. Till next time.
There you have it.
Going home.
Huh? Oh, it's just ending now. It's gonna be a new video, but you all think that we went home.
Yeah.